in Tangier. We're at our hotel, and I want to show you guys what this hotel looks like. So follow me to the room. This place comes highly recommended. It had great reviews. It has Moroccan style architecture in the stairs, and that's what's supposed to be in the room as well. Nice. As you can see around me, I mean, this is definitely Moroccan style. Everything's red. And this piece of furniture right here with a safe in between looks awesome. Let me turn on where are the lights? Yes, now you can see this. Let's check out the bed. Oh, nice, comfortable bed. Nice Moroccan style head frame, and then this right here, and the side stands with the light bulb in between. Definitely great, and I particularly like these curtains. Nice soft red velvety curtains, and I showed you this already. And they have this other furniture here as well in the middle, which also signifies the Moroccan style. And you can see the clean flooring over here, what it looks like. Actually, that's not the end of it. And I've got a little table here so I can set up my laptop and do my work. And what's interesting is we have this little seat that I can use to chill and have tea in the morning, but it's only for me, nobody else. But and nice table with the green artwork in between. Certainly looks amazing. I like it. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. It's nice, spacious. Has all the amenities that you need. Let me see if there's some more light in here. Nice shower. And they also have this thing. They have this in some places in France as well, but we don't have them in the US. But that's okay. This is, it definitely gets a thumbs up from me. This is by far the best place that I have ever stayed at in terms of a hotel room. I didn't have it this nice, and this is what I was expecting when I read the reviews. This is definitely a step up from the places that I've stayed at. So Tangier has been good to me so far, and then let's see. It should only get better from here. This is our first night. I'm gonna get some rest and then go out for a little bit. It's very lively outside. I mean, it's so lively. It's almost midnight, but it seems like it's like 6 p.m. There are people walking all over the streets. Restaurants are open. Kids are running around having fun. And this hotel is actually on a rooftop. It's a rooftop hotel overlooking the city. But I haven't shown you that view, but I'll show you the streets, what they look like and how lively they are in the other video. So with that, I leave you.